Are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? Get ready to be blown away because Garmin is about to drop something epic. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is on the horizon, and we got the scoop. Forget everything you know about smartwatches. This isn't just a timepiece, it's your ultimate adventure companion. Join us as we dive deep into the leaks, rumors, and everything we know so far about the Garmin Fenix 8. The excitement around the Garmin Fenix 8 series kicked off with a major leak from the Finnish online retailer, Multitronic, revealing that the series will launch in September 2024. This announcement has generated significant buzz in the tech community. The Fenix 8 series will be available in three sizes: -43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, catering to a range of wrist sizes and preferences. This variety ensures a comfortable fit for different users. In terms of color options, the series will offer slate gray steel for a classic, sophisticated look and sleek black for a more minimalist style. Both color choices come with a black band, which can be customized according to personal taste. This introduction aims to blend functionality with style, providing users with versatile options for both aesthetics and performance. The customization of bands allows for further personalization, making the Garmin Fenix 8 series not just a high-performance watch, but also a fashion statement. As the launch date approaches, more details about features and pricing will likely emerge, keeping the tech world on high alert. And LED dreams. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is poised to make a significant leap, with rumors suggesting a major upgrade in its display technology. The anticipated switch from a memory and pixel and eyepiece screen to an AMOLED display could revolutionize user experience. AMOLED screens are renowned for their vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and sharp details, which would enhance outdoor visibility and readability in various lighting conditions. This transition could be a game changer, especially for those who use their watches in bright sunlight or during intense activities. Additionally, the Fenix 8 series is expected to feature an upgraded heart rate sensor, promising even more accurate and reliable fitness tracking. This enhancement would provide users with better insights into their cardiovascular health and exercise performance. But the potential innovations don't stop there. There are intriguing rumors about the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in the new series. This can bring about personalized training plans, real-time performance analysis, and possibly even a virtual coach. AI could analyze user data to tailor workouts, offer strategic advice, and adjust training regimens based on progress and performance metrics. If these features are realized, they would elevate the Fenix 8 series beyond traditional fitness tracking, offering a more interactive and customized training experience. Overall, these anticipated upgrades suggest that Garmin is aiming to push the boundaries of smartwatch technology, promising a cutting-edge device for fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. The budget-friendly option. Garmin might also be dropping a budget-friendly version, the Fenix E. Don't let the name fool you. It's still expected to pack a punch. While it might stick with the MIP screen to keep costs down, it's likely to share some features with its pricier siblings. Solar power and battery life. And for those who love to explore off the grid, there's a strong possibility of a Fenix 8 solar model. Imagine harnessing the sun's power to extend your battery life. That's right, endless adventures without worrying about running out of juice. So, there you have it. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is shaping up to be an absolute game changer. With its sleek design, cutting-edge features, and potential for groundbreaking technology, this watch is set to redefine the outdoor experience. Stay tuned for more updates, rumors, and official announcements. Hit that subscribe button for exclusive content and be the first to know when the Fenix 8 drops.